Today I show you the connection pack from Cyta in Cyprus, CytaMobile Vodafone, the CytaMobile Vodafone in Cyprus. This is a number that you can, this is a connection. This is a prepaid SIM card that includes €1 of airtime, and it costs €2 to get this. And that's the phone number. I might have this in my phone for a limited some time. I might have this into my phone. I might change it to an eSIM later. And if you want to send me a message, send a message to this number, +357 9923 9667. So yeah, I will not have it for a long time. That's why I show you the phone number. So it's not gonna work for a long time. If you try to call and it doesn't work, it doesn't ring, then yeah. The So Easy Pay As You Go in connection pack includes a SIM card and €1 free airtime. Okay. And here in Cyprus, we have to do an identification procedure. This is what I understand. Like, you have to link your ID to your phone number. So I'm not sure if you can get this from abroad. I had to get this from the shop itself, and it's a physical SIM card. I could have bought an eSIM, and I'm not sure if you can get an eSIM directly or you still have to go in the shop. It's always, for traveling, it's always great if you can get the eSIM before arriving in the destination country, and then you don't have to use the roaming. There are services worldwide where you can get mobile data in any country, wherever you travel. Those people who travel a lot, they would know about it, which one are the best ones. But this is just a local phone number here in Cyprus, the Cyta connection. So let's see what's inside here. It seems like it's sealed, but someone was pulling it. Let's see. Okay. I'll try to open it up. Opening this thing now. Let's see what's there. Oh, they have so many things in there. Oh, so another thing, when you're getting a SIM card, the PUC code might be like this. It's interesting that it's not on the actual card itself, but it's on the package. So you have to be careful not to lose this. So you have the PIN code 1234 and the PUC code, and there is a customer code also, and there's some other code. So this package is actually pretty important to keep. But the only thing that's important here is this part there. So I will only keep that part. I will remove this. Okay. The rest is just advertising. But this one actually you want to keep it because it has this QR code that you might need, the phone number and the PIN code and the PUC code. So that's a big deal to have there. There is some leaflet, usually information about the SIM, and it's in Greek, but it's also in English. You have to fill in the user identification, SIM card details, choosing the plan. Okay, you can use a prepaid system. You don't need to have a plan or anything like that. Useful numbers, and wow, so much stuff here. Terms and conditions, lots of terms and conditions right here. So I might keep this number and change it to an eSIM to have it next to my main phone number. And I wouldn't share my main phone number, but I might use this one in case someone needs some help with anything. You could call me at this number, which is, what's the number? plus 357 99239 667 plus 357 for Cyprus, the country code 99239 667. I like the number, it's a nice number. I picked it. Okay, so there's some information there, and then you have the details about the card. CytaMobile, Vodafone. I believe it's the biggest network, the most reliable network in Cyprus, but there is also CableNet. I also have a card from CableNet, and that's the phone number from CableNet. You might have to call me on that one if this one doesn't work. Plus 357 945 699 64. Okay, I'm not sure if I will keep any of them. These phone numbers might just not work, so if someone else answers the phone, they might reuse this phone number, so disclaimer there. It might not be me when you call, so please be careful. It's a bit hard to remove, so it's the size, different sizes of the SIM card. There was an old time, the Motorola StarTAC. I remember the whole card would go in the phone. So even this size of the card, the full size, in the old Motorola StarTAC, it would go the whole thing in the phone. That was funny. It was like one of the first mobile phones, Motorola StarTAC. So here I broke one of these to get the smaller one, but it's still not the smallest. You see the nano SIM, which is the current size of the SIM, it's like this, so you have to break it. This is valid for any provider, it's not just this one. You have to break the SIM card to keep only the size. You have to keep only the size like this, without anything around, only this size of the connector like this. And when you insert it, you have to make sure you check this notch, and you should align with the notch you have in the SIM card tray. So I have these two SIM cards. I have these two SIM cards from CableNet and from Cyta, and I will try them. I will check the signal, see how they are, and I will probably convert one of them to eSIM and put it in my main phone and see how it is. But this is how you get the SIM card, the nano SIM. That's how you remove the nano SIM from the connection pack. And now these ones, they are simply a connection pack. There is no subscription, no anything. And you can keep using them as a pay-as-you-go. That's how I will use them. I don't like to have a subscription like this. But yeah, I hope this helps you get an idea of this SIM card. Get a physical SIM card. You insert it in the phone. I have other videos about changing SIM cards, changing the passcodes, inserting the PUC code, changing the PIN code, lots of things like this. In a future video, I will say which one is better. I already use Cyta, but I wanted to try CableNet to see how it works. Thanks for watching.